In this tutorial, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of generating a sitemap for your website using the 4n6 Sitemap Buddy. To begin, go to your browser and search for the URL above. Click the download button and follow the installation instructions. After installation, simply launch it. To get started, enter the URL of the website for which you would like to create a sitemap. This software allows you to customize multiple settings to create the ideal sitemap for your website. Click on Settings button to continue. Add directly in Sitemap. Do not parse extensions will include all the URLs with the extension entered. Prefix each extension with dot and separate them with a space. Extensions to exclude from Sitemap will include all the URLs with the extension entered. Prefix each extension with dot and separate them with a space. Crawl, but do not include URLs in Sitemap will crawl pages that have these substrings in the URL but will not include them in the sitemap. Exclude URLs will exclude all the pages that have these substrings in the URL. When enabled, the robots.txt file will guide the bots about the web pages they can access and which ones they should avoid. Enable or disable this feature using the button next to it. Let's see other sitemap options as well. Location option. Hypertext reference language option will create sitemap with language region format like ENUS for American English or FRFR for French. Last modified option will create sitemap with modified date and time. Priority option will create sitemap with priority percentage for prioritized pages. Video sitemap option will create sitemap with video URL. Go back to crawler option and click on Crawl button. Shortly, the crawling process will begin. Once the process is complete, a notification will appear on the screen. Click OK to proceed. This sitemap includes columns for URL, size, date, and other details typically found in all sitemap generator software. However, a unique feature of the 4n6 sitemap generator is that it includes columns for title and description. Click on any URL to view more options. You will find separate columns for outgoing links, incoming links, external links, and broken links. Click on a specific column to see the total number of URLs and the corresponding URLs. Users have the option to export the sitemap. Simply click the Export As button and choose your preferred sitemap format. Users can select from XML, HTML, or TXT formats for their sitemap. To proceed with the export process, users are required to purchase a license for the software. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.